Hi everybody and welcome back. It is that time of the month once again to open up our FaceTory. FaceTory is a mask subscription service and it is definitely like top tier, one of the best subscription services I believe out there that you can get beauty wise. There are 3 different formats, 3 different kinds of FaceTory kits you can get each month. I will leave details for all of those down below as well as a link to their website so that if you want to get in on FaceTory you can. The FaceTory subscription I'm bringing to you is the Forever Fresh Kit. This one's going to contain 4 sheet masks. FaceTory is located out of California and ships out of California, but the brands that they do send you are Korean Beauty, Korean Skincare, and their own in-house brand as well. Usually what I do each month with FaceTory is I will go over the masks that I got the month before, showed you what I used, and then we'll move on to the new ones. Last month I didn't film a FaceTory video, so we're not going to do that today. So we're just going to dive straight into this month's bag. And the first little thing that they sent us is a little postcard. It's very cute. It says, "You are tea-rific," and it has a little teapot on it. Cute and extra. And then we have here our card, which is very nice. It gives you all the details and information on the masks because since most of the masks are Korean Skincare and Korean Beauty, the instructions and the ingredients and the information on them is in Korean. So unless you speak and read Korean very well, it's nice to have this little card as a guide. And it says here that the May Forever Fresh, curated by FaceTory, that this month they are focusing on smoothing and toning the skin. So first up here we have FaceTory's own brand, and this is a 2-step mask, and it's called Smooth Me Tea Tree. The FaceTory Smooth Me Tea Tree. In need of a little pick-me-up, our Smooth Me Tea Tree 2-step mask is infused with ingredients to help purify and restore troubled skin, perfect for helping treat blemishes and acne. Indulge in this calming sheet mask and let your stress fade away. This next one here, really, I have said this 1,000 times, but I am such a sucker for freaking cute packaging. Look at this. It's chocolate milk. This is the Apu Chocolate Milk 1-pack mask. I wonder if it has chocolate milk in it. I don't know. Let's find out. Perfect skin is easy to achieve with Apu's Chocolate Milk Sheet Mask. Designed to help provide the skin with nutrients for a smoother and brighter complexion, your skin will be left feeling renewed and happy. And yes, FYI, I'm looking here. The key ingredients are cocoa extract and milk extract. So yes, it does have chocolate milk. This next one is coming to us from Look at Me. This is the Cucumber Essence Face Mask. Give your skin a break from all the stress and pamper it with the Look at Me Cucumber Essence Mask. Infused with skin calming ingredients, it will leave your skin looking so fresh and refined, you'll be surprised what the sheet mask can do. And this last mask we have here, this comes from Equiporte. This is the Dual Balancing Moisture Mask with Lotus and Dandelion. Achieve a more even and smoother complexion while tackling dark spots and aging. Lotus flower extract and dandelion leaf extract will leave your skin feeling so fresh and rejuvenated, you'll definitely be back for more. And so that's everything that was included in the FaceTory Forever Fresh Kit this month. I'm really excited, of course, to try all the masks. I love a good sheet mask. I enjoy pampering myself quite often. If you're ever curious as to how the sheet masks fit and look once you have them set on, every time I wear one, I do upload to Instagram, so you can follow me there. There's a link down below for you to get there, so that way you can see how the sheet masks actually form on your face. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.